Hey everyone, I have a really exciting video for you today, and this video is in partnership with Lavivid Hair. And Lavivid Hair really is changing the game, and I'm trying to help get more exposure for people, which I've done in the past, to learn about not only the hair systems and the hair units, but also a new level of education and opportunities for people in the beauty community. So today I'm going to be showcasing Jonathan, once again, who's the owner of Elite Barbershop in Toms River, New Jersey. And a hairstylist came down for a one-on-one intensive training program for a couple of days. And I cannot believe what this individual learned and the dedication and the commitment to just sharing information that Jonathan had. They must have done at least, I would say, 7 to 10 models, live models, hands-on training of applying these hair systems and hair units. So just before I start to showcase kind of the training of what goes on, if you are someone who is in the salon industry, the barbering industry, and you are looking to learn more about these services here in New Jersey, because I'm based in New Jersey and we want to start hosting some sort of events, training events, let me know in the comments below. Follow me on Instagram, DM me at TheSalonGuy on Instagram. And the more people we can get together who are interested, then we can start launching more group training programs, because it's mind-blowing the results that people are getting and how good Jonathan is. Now, if you're a client and you are in New Jersey and you are looking to get these services done, I'm telling you, there's clearly a lot of great people out there, but I'm working with Jonathan specifically and referring anyone to him because I've seen his work hands-on multiple times. He's also a barber, so he's great with cutting hair, but he's just incredible at what he does. So it's Jonathan at Elite Barbershop in Toms River, New Jersey. He's already gotten numerous clients from the last video that I posted. So reach out to him if you want any of these services, but also let me know if you're a professional and you want to learn more about this. It's not going anywhere. It's very, very popular, and Lavivid Hair has incredible systems, and that's why I'm teaming up with them. So let's get started into the training, and it was a really, really fun day that I was there filming, and I think it's gonna give you a good overview of what to expect and what goes into Lavivid Hair, the systems, the quality, and what could be offered if you want to learn.
I can't believe that I got this opportunity. I like to help other people, so I'm really excited about it. I'm more excited about the fact that I can actually give people real education versus just handing them a mannequin and just letting them watch me, actually letting them get their hands on the client and actually do it for themselves, instead of just having them watch me and not get involved at all. Because when they go back to their salon, they're not going to have any real experience if they don't have hands-on.
I came all the way from Alabama to learn how to install hair systems, and I look forward to being able to take that back with me. Jonathan has been fantastic. This whole experience, he's very knowledgeable, and he really takes the time to teach me, and if I have any questions, he goes pretty slow, but we're very efficient.
Well, I think it's normalizing now. I think it's becoming more normal, more acceptable. I think many years ago there was a stigma around it. I think the stigma is lowering and lowering as the years progress, and I feel like it's becoming very popular now. If you're a hairstylist or barber, I think that now is your time to get the education before it becomes just oversaturated, and at that point you're just too late. So I've dealt with many companies, but Lavivid by far, they stand behind their product. They've always been there for me. If I have a question about something, they answer me right away. Their hair quality is just as good as any other big company, and they care about their their customers. So whether you're a barber or just someone that does it yourself, they build relationship with you, and they'll go out of their way for you if they need to, like with advice or just anything they can do to help you be successful. In the future, if you guys are interested in learning more about hair replacement and you really want a hands-on course and you want to implement this in your services, in your salon or barbershop, you can send us a message. All the info will be in the future, let you know exactly how to do that. But this is something that you want to invest in your career, and you'll be helping your clients. People go bald all the time. So you're only going to help them with their self-esteem and their every day-to-day life.